Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must begin now. Power on the Xbox and sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices. Once done, make sure the console is on the same local network as your phone or PC. This reduces latency and ensures discovery. Then open the Xbox app and give it permission to search for consoles. Enable remote features on the console so the app can initiate a connection. This authorizes streaming and controller pairing and avoids repeated prompts later. Now continue by selecting the console listed in the Apps Consoles tab, then tap Connect. The app will negotiate a session and check network quality. Next, pair your controller, Bluetooth for wireless, USB for direct input, and test buttons to prevent surprises. Choose Remote Play or Stream, and pick a streaming quality that matches your upload speed. Lower quality reduces lag on constrained bandwidth. This step completes the core link, and you'll be ready to play with low latency and correct inputs. Finish by confirming settings that affect stability. Check NAT type and enable UPnP on your router if necessary, because strict NAT can block connections. Once done, restart the console, the app, and the router to clear transient network issues. This often resolves discovery problems. If you still can't connect, clear the app cache and verify account privacy and remote permissions on the console. One key troubleshooting tip. Rebooting all devices usually fixes handshake failures. Try that before deeper network changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.